Greetings, friends of the A Collision with Purpose movement. Welcome to Daily Insights Unveiled. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today's topic is inspired by the destruction and devastation caused by Tropical Storm Beryl. As I'm talking to you right now, many of our friends and families in the Caribbean are suffering from Beryl's destruction. So I believe it's fitting to talk about a concept that is at the heart of our shared humanity: giving back. Giving back is more than a noble gesture, it is a vital act that connects us to our communities and underscores our shared responsibilities. Have you ever been in a situation when you felt lost and overwhelmed? Was it not someone who came to your rescue? Now, think of those who need your help. Giving back is recognizing our blessings and sharing them with those who are less fortunate. You should always be guided by the notion that a small act of kindness can bring immense joy and make a significant difference in the lives of many. Giving back not only addresses immediate needs, but also fosters hope and resilience, showing us that positive change is possible. Seeing relief in someone's eyes when they realize they are not alone is powerful, and it reminds us of our capacity to make a difference. By giving back, we become part of something larger, building a support network that uplifts individuals and strengthens society. Gratitude, my friends, gratitude for the people and opportunities in our lives can be a powerful motivator for giving back. It inspires us to pay it forward, knowing that our most minor resources can significantly impact someone else's life. This perspective shift makes us more empathetic and aware of others' struggles, fostering a sense of appreciation and understanding. Giving back is not just about helping others, it is also a catalyst for personal growth. Helping others enriches our lives, and it teaches us invaluable lessons about perseverance, kindness, and the human spirit. I want you to understand that true generosity often requires self denial. Now think of the countless heroes, teachers, healthcare workers, volunteers who sacrifice for others. Their selflessness creates a safer, more compassionate world for us to live in. In a divided world, giving back reminds us of our interconnectedness. It breaks down barriers, builds bridges, and fosters unity and shared purpose. By giving back, we contribute to a cycle of positivity and change that benefits everyone. My friends, in closing, I challenge you to consider: how can you make a difference today? Can you offer a smile to a stranger, lend a helping hand to a neighbor, or donate to a local charity? Remember, giving back is not just about charity, it is a vital part of being human. By giving back, we enrich our lives with purpose, gratitude, and connection. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.